Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where today we'll be playing a game named Aeroplane 4. I just played it. I have no idea how to play it. No idea at all. So
I found it on YouTube where Flamingo plays it.
Yep, so let's just play it. Wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Yeah, I forgot.
Is that my dad?
Today is a big day. We all share dads. Question mark. Let me remind you, we are flying to Rohamas. Get up. No, I am not getting up, okay? 100% not.
They literally turned Bahamas into Rohamas.
Lol. What is this? Your baggage goes here. Oh man, none of you guys have done your baggages. I can't believe you forgot, XD. We don't even have time. That's not my fault.
Which one is my bag? They're all identical.
Yes, exactly.
Is this one? Oh, that one? Oh, that one? Oh, that one? Oh, that
Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you, Aiden is there and Bobo is here. They are both my friends.
We both look the same because I don't know what we are, but we are triplets.
I'll start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. What do we do? What do we do? I wasn't even focusing. I was still busy walking around. Oh, yeah. Bag. I need a bag. I need a bag.
I do not know where your clothes are.
We have 40 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is.
Oh, there's an arrow, a green arrow shows you which baggage is yours.
Oh.
It'll tell you.
We have 45 seconds to explore the house and find out where everything is.
I'm going to boy one instead. Where is everything? Why are you in the girl?
I want to find where's our clothes.
Our clothes is over here. Our clothes is inside the girls' room.
What?
No, there's the one for boys.
Oh, good. I thought to go to the girls' room. Oh, yeah, there is. Okay. Can I grab clothes? Can I grab a clothes? I want a clothes.
You can't.
Give me one.
I want the rubber ducky suit.
Oh, we need a toothbrush too. Yeah, that's one thing. Okay, guys. Time to start packing. Let's go. Okay. Find items. This, I found it. Take it to your baggage. Okay.
Can't we have another one instead of this one?
Yeah, exactly.
Please? Jason, we have a red one.
Yeah.
I have a green one, which is I can't get one.
Okay.
What's next? Let's go back upstairs.
That's all we need. We only need that shirt. Seriously?
We only need one shirt. How about other pants and stuff?
Yes.
Why don't we need just one shirt?
Very good. I love this strip.
Horrible packaging, okay?
I love the strip. Happy.
Why so loud, baby?
Anyway. Lol, 2 YouTubers. Shoes. Let's go find some shoes. Let's go find some shoes. I found shoes. Give me that shoes. I want the shoes.
I'm supposed to get pants though.
I want the shoes. Oh, bro. Oh, the shoes is in the girls' place.
Give me the pants. Yes, but some are inside the car.
I seriously need to grab girls' shoes. Are you serious?
Really?
Yeah. Not kidding. Bro, what am I slugging? You high. Wait. Why did my shoes suddenly turn into a pink thing? Lol. My shoes turned into a green and pink.
I'm lagging.
Ugh.
I'm dead. Well, I don't know.
Find this item. This is in the boys' one. This.
Yes, I can get the rubber ducky suit. Finally.
Lol. This is the.
I wanted the rubber ducky.
Someone tell me why I have to pack 2 shoes.
I only need to have one shoe.
Someone tell me why I have to pack 2 shoes. These shoes are stinky. I don't want these shoes.
We pack different things.
Why are some people hurtful?
Oh, because they don't get the stuff when they're supposed to. Because I was lagging, I can't tap anything.
Ooh.
So then they get hurt.
Ooh.
That's impossible. How do you get hurt when you just accidentally forget to get something, huh?
Oh my god, this is... Guys, can you see a poison burger? There's a green one.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it.
Yeah.
I just saw one.
It was a poison burger. If you get it, don't eat it.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't you dare. No, don't do it.
See, there's a green one.
Hey, Dad, you're trying to drown in this game. Let us
Green
see.
one. Let us see.
You can't drown.
Look at my baggage. I'm going to drown myself with my baggage on me.
What is this?
I'm going to drown myself. Oh, what in the world? You can go in there.
Drown in this
Oh,
game.
you get a badge. You get a badge. Secret one badge. Guys.
Secret reward.
Yeah.
Come.
Go through this hoop thing to get the secret reward.
Inside the pool.
Hold the
There,
bag.
and then you find it.
Hold the
You
bag.
get the secret bag.
Hold the bag because the bag makes you fall down, and you get the secret badge. Woo! The bag makes you fall down. Who wants a burger? No, now you're gonna poison me.
Who is actually inside the
I do.
recording again?
Yeah.
Oh wait. Snake the frog was actually in recording. She said she wanted to be in the video.
Okay. Everyone is in the video. Everyone is in my video. Channel is Gara Plays. Don't eat it. Anyone get poisoned?
I'm not even. Don't eat it yet. See, in case. Hey, you had one? You had the poisonous one?
No, no one has the poisonous one yet.
So don't eat it. In case.
Don't eat it yet.
No, don't do it. Hello? I'm not gonna move. And why does the radio look copyrighted?
IDK. I have my burger.
Do not eat it.
The burger will kill you. Earlier this month, the president congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard the presidential plane. Whoa! Can you imagine saving a plane?
Someone tried to say kill father.
Wait,
he was in airplane.
Yeah.
Two. Story 2.
However, the president said that in conference as we landed, the suspect somehow disappeared. The police warns everyone in Robloxia to be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case. Bruh, no. I'm gonna find a monster myself.
New York into Bloxia.
Yeah. How could someone possibly escape from something like that? Oh my. Look at the time. Bro. What time? We're running late to a flight.
Everyone's starting to eat.
Don't
Should we
eat. No. Fine, eat it.
Everyone's starting to eat.
Nom 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 nom. Eat my burger now.
Are you eating it?
Stop. Yeah, I'm eating. I'm stuffing it into my mouth. Oh, that's full.
You don't have the poisonous one.
Oh no, I eat. You know, if you don't get a poisonous one, means you're not hurt. If you're hurt, then
I didn't.
No one got a poisonous one.
I did not.
The poisonous one was
I did
still
not
on the. I have a bad feeling about this. Yeah, me too.
Why did I say that?
Eat food. Everyone eat up food.
It says daycare story.
Bro.
Yay, it says daycare story.
Rest in peace, lol.
Why is there a daycare in this game?
Oh no. The garage? What?
What?
Wait for it.
Huh?
Wait for what? Wait for what garage?
I don't know what does that mean.
Dad, I present you. Dad's an airplane driver. What the?
Oh.
No, Dad. No. Why? I don't have license. That's one thing.
Yay!
I'm trying to get my own
I
plane.
have a license.
Dude, I can't find an airplane I can ride in.
No,
oh, this is my airplane.
Yay! You're right in front of me.
Bro, do we have to actually drive it ourselves or it's going to teleport us? I'm scared. Is he trying to get rid of us? Don't you see? Get on your plane. My plane is. I'm on my plane already.
I'm on my plane too.
Shake the Frog is saying Dad is trying to get rid of us.
What?
Silver Shake the Frog says that. Oh, phew, we don't need to drive ourselves. I thought. Please don't. So we have to drive
Why
ourselves.
does R2U thing?
Ah! Why is Shake the Frog spamming A? Wait. We don't even know how to fly these correct. We'll have to find out. Oh, dang it. Just be careful with the obstacles. Oh, no, we actually have to drive ourselves. Oh, no.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
I might even die in this already.
I hope I don't die.
Oh, this is kind of easy.
Do it. Oh, this is easy.
Not that hard, to be honest.
Upload a video right now.
I'm still uploading I'm still recording. Go to the side a little. Excuse me, Bobo, you're in my way. Are you serious? I have to go this tiny gap. Oh, not a windmill. Oi. Oh, I passed it. Oi. Oh, dang it. Why is it spikes? Why is it already spikes? Oh, ow, I'm hurt. Oh. I got a secret 3. I got a secret 3 badge. Woohoo! I'm hurt. Dang it. I get secret 3 badge.
I only have 1 badge in this game.
I just got secret 3 badge. Wait for everyone to finish.
Wait for everyone to finish.
Hi, Dad.
Stop.
You nearly killed me, Dad.
Yeah, you nearly killed me too, Dad.
I'm gonna zen. Oh.
Perfect. Everyone's hurt now.
Yes, I forgot to tell you, flying over that shortcut is illegal. Dude!
That's just a little.
Hopefully nobody saw you. Daddy, what are you doing?
I just slap him.
Don't slap him. The airport's just around the corner. Keep moving. Me follow.
I'm going to run.
Ooh, the airport is beautiful.
Should I jump on your face?
No.
The other guy?
No, don't jump on my face. Oh,
I said the other guy. Should I jump on the other guy's face?
I'm jumping on everyone's face.
No, don't do it.
Oh, there's cars. Let's go straight out, Zizi. Wait.
Ah!
That was close.
I don't see any trucks. Yeah, you did see me. I almost died.
You need a ticket to go through. I have a ticket. Now give me the through. Dude, this girl knows magic. There's invisible barrier.
Hello.
I'm seeking a glitch.
Hello.
Attention everyone. Flight 76 to Romance is leaving in 5 minutes. Oh, dang it.
I can't use it. I don't have it.
That's a
Why
flight.
don't I have it?
Don't know.
I don't have it.
Me too.
Why can't I?
I already have my
We
ticket.
don't have it.
Get yours before the
Why
plane
don't
takes off without us. Where's...
We don't have one. Oh, now I have it.
Me too.
Where? Get your ticket through the boarding gate. You need a ticket to get through.
How did you get
You
ticket?
need to ask these
Oh,
ladies.
yeah. Ask these ladies.
Now I have
Thank you. I have my beautiful
Now
ticket.
I have a ticket.
I have my beautiful ticket.
I have a ticket.
Now you need to go through with the ticket.
I am inserting the ticket inside Dad.
Daddy, take my ticket. Eat it. Talk to the girl and then come here.
Insert.
With your ticket out in your hand.
I am inserting.
Insert into Dad's mouth. No more waiting. Let's go. Okay, whatever.
I'm inserting it.
My beautiful
standing on his
ticket.
head.
This is my that's security room. My bad. My beautiful ticket.
What? Huh? Baba.
Quickly,
Did
talk
you say?
quickly, lady.
Quickly, we don't have much time.
Oh my God.
OMG, my ticket could go through walls. OMG.
Walls. Magic ticket. That can
We
insert
go
through
for
mouse.
the metal detector and Daddy has a
I
medal.
can insert through mouse.
What just happened? Red? Why red?
I think we're in trouble.
What? I don't have anything on me.
safe.
See, I knew it. Something.
Other than this weapons. Hee. Hey.
Oi, Dad.
My
We
dad has
have
weapons.
everything.
My dad has weapons. Something is not right. Please wait a minute. Okay. Bye, guys. I'll end this here. This is part 1. Part 2 will be later. Bye.